Alright guys, we're at the Dillon Nature Center. And we did a tour, so stay tuned. This was donated to Ray Dillon, or he donated it in 1970.
Nature's Forest, Dillon's Nature Center. This is a nature center where you can do trails, and then they have a museum in here. It's all about what you can find in this part of Kansas. We'll show you that when we get outside. But this is the Nature's Forest, and then we have like a tornado vortex that it shows you how a tornado starts forming. It's pretty cool. I like that. It gives you an idea, which we do live in Kansas, and tornadoes are prevalent in the Midwest. What's this? Oh, a little dollhouse. Oh, the little thing is missing. And then we'll go to another part. Some of it's interactive, some of it you just look at. Oh, these are some of the animals that you can find here in Kansas. Garage of Adaptations. The mammals on the list have adapted and evolved to survive in their environments. Some of the wildlife around here. Looks like some of the pictures that they've actually taken here at the Dillon's Nature Center. And they weren't one of the founding fathers of this town, but they did have a lot of influence in this town of Hutchinson, Kansas. That their last name was Dillon, and they started the Dillon's grocery stores here in Kansas. And the first actual grocery store was here in Hutchinson. And then the first Dillon's general store was in the late 1890s in Sterling, Kansas, which is about 20 minutes from here. But the first grocery store was in 1913 here in Hutchinson, and that store still exists, and it's still a grocery store. It's still called Dillon's. And then in 1983, Kroger purchased all the grocery stores, but they're still called Dillon's. And so they've done this. That's why it's called the Dillon's Nature Center, because they gave this land for everyone to enjoy. That's one of the birds that are here. A red-winged blackbird. Huh. Oh, a ducky in the water. He's stuck. Plexiglass. It's pretty cool. Oh, and like a fish. What kind of fish? Channel catfish. And looks like a largemouth bass.
Channel cat's right there.
Yeah, they got the channel cat here, and then largemouth bass here. That's pretty cool. And then our prairie grass, different kind of grasses that grow here in Kansas. Raccoon. Yeah. Huh. Do what? What's this? Take a look. There's a red-bellied woodpecker eating insects off the tree. I can't see. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Eating insects off the tree. Ah. The underground theater. I won't go in there because it's dark and it's cool. What is a fish? Fish were the first backbone animals on Earth. With nearly 24,000 species, fish are the predominant vertebrae. The possession of fins differentiate fish from other vertebrates. I will hold this for a second, and then if you guys want to look at that, you can stop it and read it. Oh, hi fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Fishy. Yeah, he's just staring like, what? What's up? What's up? He's used to people staring at him, I guess. What up? Oh, this must be the tree dwellers. These are the tree dwellers. Oh, look. Garter snake. That's a garter snake, which are all over this state. And rattlesnakes. And we do have, we really don't have copperheads. They're rare, they probably could, but we do have rattlesnakes. It's the most venomous I think we have in Kansas is rattlesnake, but you can find a copperhead, but yeah, I think it's more in eastern Kansas. Oh, it's a salamander. Oh, it's hiding. I can barely see him. It's kind of in there with the leaves. Yeah. A toad. Oh, did you? Yeah.
I don't know if he's alive.
He is an ornate box turtle. Well, he don't look too good.
No.
Does he?
Looks like he's not alive. Our drinks are up.
Yeah, we gotta get our drinks. You know, we couldn't walk with our drinks in here, so they don't want naturally, which is understandable. You don't want to get exhibit sweat with your drink, so different kinds of insects around here. Pretty butterflies and short butterfly. Huh. Walking sticks. We do have walking sticks here. I don't see them too often, but they're around.
June beetles.
I don't know.
Right here, go in there. And it'll automatically put it right here. No, it'll still work. It'll still work. There you go.
Oh, that's
Have
cool.
you ever wondered what goes on under your feet? The underground world is teeming with life that you rarely get to see.
The lights
This
don't come
unique
on.
habitat is the home
do.
to many of the
No, you gotta
creatures
stand
that
back.
live
You'll
around
light 'em
us.
up.
Oh, okay.
Let's explore under the soil and shed some light on the special residents that live in this environment. The soil is alive. Well, at least it's filled with life. Healthy soil is home to an incredible variety of tiny living creatures, plants and fungi that serve as nature's garbage disposal.
That's cool.
They break
I mean, I'm
down
not going to
dead
stay
plant
here
and animal
the whole
matter
time.
and turn it back
You
into
guys would be here for a while. And there's plenty to see outside.
If we are very quiet and don't disturb them.
But that's
we might
really
get
cool,
a
though.
glimpse of cicadas.
Alright, if you can stop, just hit the power button. Or talk.
Animal, amazing plants of the sandhills. Yeah, a lot of where we're at they're called the sandhills because it's real sandy and duny. We got sand dunes. Yeah, it's real sandy, so which is the rattlesnakes love, but so do the ticks and everything else. So you got to be careful when you're walking around those areas. But we've got some beautiful plants there and a lot of beautiful flowers that grow in the sand. But it's pretty cool. And the cool thing is they have interactions for kids too. It's just, it's just a small nature center. They got trails outside that we'll be going to in a second, with a pond. We'll be going outside, go walking.